What's going on, everybody? I'm Spencer.
I'm Christy.
And I'm Kate.
And we are in the heat of Arizona.
It is hot.
Really, really hot. And I don't know about you, but if you've even attempted to griddle with a baby on, it is not as easy as we make it look. So we're switching it up, and Kate and I are gonna be manning the griddle today, and we are making Southwestern breakfast bagel sandwiches.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Ingredients for our recipe today is going to be some chorizo sausage patties, some farm fresh organic eggs, we've got bagels, jalapeno cheese, and some hatch green chilies. We've got the griddle set to medium, and we are going to get our chorizo sausage patties right down on the griddle. Kate's going to get her eggs cracked. We're gonna add a little bit of milk and then mix it all up. Our chorizo patties are looking great. We are gonna flip these over.
By the way, new griddle, who this?
That's right. For all of our fun adventures that we've been on. We've been paddleboarding, kayaking, we took a boat ride all around Lake Pleasant in Arizona, and it was awesome. To top off our chorizo patties, we're going to add our habanero cheese to get that nice and melted. Right, we're going to pull off our eggs and our sausage patties so we can clean off the griddle, put our bagels down just to get them lightly toasted. It is time to build our breakfast sandwiches. We're going to build one at a time. We're going to start with our toasted bagel. We're going to add sausage patty. Gonna load up some eggs, top it off with another chorizo patty, add some of those hatch chilies. To amp up the Southwestern heat, we've got a little holy jolokia that we are going to sprinkle on top. The wind is going to take it away.
Just plate dressing.
That's right. You know, the fancy restaurants do it like that.
Nice job, baby.
Thanks.
It looks good.
Thanks. The kids had to go inside because it is a scorching 98 degrees and it is not even noon. Well, let's dive in and then figure out what cool adventure we're gonna get into later on.
Yeah, leave it to us to make super spicy breakfast sandwiches on the hottest day of the year.
So true.
I love chorizo.
I was literally gonna say the same thing. We do not cook with it enough, and every time we do, it's so delicious.
Mm-hmm.
The hatch chilies also really add a good flavor.
Yep.
You're up next. We might be taking turns for a while. We'll see how it goes. So thanks for tuning in. We always appreciate you watching.
Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell so you don't miss any of the great cooks from any of the great cooks.
Any other great
do that.
Yeah. Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us. Did I miss anybody?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Until next time, guys. This is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.